Hello children. Children, last week we have completed the book exercises and question answers of lesson Trees Are Best Friend. Today we are going to start with the map. Before we start with the map, I want to tell you that you have to purchase the physical map of the world. You have to purchase the physical map of the world. So let's start with the map. Take out page number 99 of your social studies books. On page number 99, you can see this world map is given. On this world map, the continents as well as the oceans are marked. You can see here it is written a world map showing different continents and oceans. So you also have to purchase the physical map of the world, and on that map we have to mark all these continents and oceans. I will show you the map. Like you can see this map, I have marked here the oceans as well as the continents of the world. You can see from your book also. On page number 99, as I told you, it is given in your books also on page number 99. So you can look from your books also. Now let's start marking the continents first. So how many continents are there, children? There are 7 continents. How many continents are there? There are 7 continents. Which are those 7 continents? Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. I will repeat again the names of all those 7 continents. Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. So you can also mark with a black pen or you can use a pencil also. Like for separating the 2 continents Asia and Europe, children, you can see I have started drawing the line from here. You can draw the line from this point, and the way I have drawn, you have to draw in the same way, like here from till here. And the left side, the left part is the Europe and the right side is the Asia. So here you will write Asia and on the left side you can write Europe. So children, better write in capital letters ASIA Asia and Europe EUROPE Europe. Then next is Africa. When we go downwards, this is Africa. So write here AFRICA, Africa. Then move on to the left side of the map. Here you write North America. NORTH, North, AMERICA, America, North America. Now let's go downwards. This is South America. Here you write SOUTH, South, AMERICA, America, South America. Then let's move on to the next continent, that is Australia. Here you go and write AUSTRALIA. I will repeat the spellings once again. AUSTRALIA, Australia. Now let's move on to the last continent, that is Antarctica. So here you mark Antarctica ANTARCTICA. I will repeat the spellings once again. ANTARCTICA, Antarctica. So these were all 7 continents. I will repeat once again. Asia, Europe, Africa, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. Now let's mark the oceans. So children, can you tell me how many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. How many oceans are there? There are 5 oceans. Let's start with the first one. On the top here you write Arctic Ocean. A-R-C-T-I-C. I will repeat the spellings once again. A-R-C-T-I-C. Arctic Ocean. O-C-E-A-N. Ocean. Now, here you mark North Atlantic Ocean. Children, here you can write, see this Tropic of Cancer line. Above this line is the North Atlantic Ocean. Above this line is the North Atlantic Ocean. N-O-R-T-H, North, A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C, Atlantic, O-C-E-A-N, Ocean. It is North Atlantic Ocean. And below this Tropic of Cancer line, here is the South Atlantic Ocean. Right here, S-O-U-T-H-A-T-L-A-N-T-I-C and then O-C-E-A-N, Ocean. This is the South Atlantic Ocean below this Tropic of Cancer line. Now here you can see this is the map of India and below here is the Indian Ocean. So here you write I-N-D-I-A-N, Indian, O-C-E-A-N, Ocean, Indian Ocean. Then here again you see that this is the Tropic of Cancer line. Above this Tropic of Cancer line you will write here North Pacific Ocean. North Pacific Ocean. N-O-R-T-H, North, P-A-C-I-F-I-C, Pacific, O-C-E-A-N, Ocean. This is the North Pacific Ocean. Then here on the left side you see, you write here South Pacific Ocean. S-O-U-T-H, South, P-A-C-I-F-I-C, Pacific, O-C-E-A-N, Ocean. Here is the South Pacific Ocean. Now, the last ocean is Southern Ocean. Here, above the continent Antarctica, here you write Southern Ocean. S-O-U-T-H-E-R-N, Southern, O-C-E-A-N, Ocean. Southern Ocean. So, this was all there regarding the oceans. I will show you the map once again. Here on the top is the Arctic Ocean. Then here above the Tropic of Cancer line is the North Atlantic Ocean. Below the Tropic of Cancer line is the South Atlantic Ocean. Then here below this map of India you can see below that is the Indian Ocean. Then again here on the right side of the map above the Tropic of Cancer line is the North Pacific Ocean. And here you see on the left side of the map below the Tropic of Cancer line, here it is the South Pacific Ocean. Then the last one is the Southern Ocean here. So I hope children you all have understood how to mark the oceans and continents on the physical map of the world. You can see from your book also. Now here in your books, as it is, the continents are colored with different colors. So you can also color your maps with all these colors, but don't use dark colors. Use only light colors so that the name of the continents are visible on your map. Like here in your books it is visible. The names of the continents should be visible. So you can use the same colors in your map also. So children, this was all regarding the map today. Thank you. Goodbye.